Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do Mastery Check number 2. Mastery Check number 2 focuses on your writing skills, so it's important that when you're doing all of your notes and when you're working on your guided work and your guided practice there through the packet, that you really focus on making sure that you can do these things before you come back to the Mastery Check table with me, because you won't be able to have any notes at the Mastery Check table, right? Obviously, you guys know that you can do this as many times as you want till you've mastered that skill. So let's take a look at what you're going to need to do in order to be successful at Mastery Check number 2. Let's zoom in here a little bit. So you have to be able to compose a dialogue with all of the following check boxes below between you and a peer. That does not mean that you and a peer are going to share the writing. What it means is that you are going to be creating a dialogue for both people. Okay, so this is still not a partner work yet. This is just you. All right, so you have to pretend like you are a classmate that asks you what classes you have on your schedule, and you need to answer with at least 3 different kinds of classes in sequence. So first saying like, first I have math, then I have art, and finally I have German. Okay, that's just an example of what you could say. And then your classmate asks you, what is it that you like for your classes? And you answer. Then they ask you what classes you don't like, and then you answer. And then finally, they ask you what time you have German class, and then you answer. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sentences that you're going to be writing here. They do not need to be really big, huge, complicated things that are super duper impressive. What I really want to know is, can you write in SVI? And we have to use the verb haben. We have to use the verb finden correctly. You have to be able to say a clock time phrase correctly and use at least 3 sequencing words, like, for example, zuerst, dann, danach, and zuletzt. All right, and I've given you those little prompts here to write in. And then I will be providing you the feedback inside of your writing here. And then if I'm seeing that you can use the SVI correctly and haben and finden and the clock time phrase and the 3 sequencing words, then you will have mastered that skill. All right. This is one that it's going to take me some time to look through. So when you're done with this one, just go ahead and put it right into the inbox and I will get you your feedback by the time you see me again next class. All righty. Okay, viel Glück, lots of luck, viel Glück und auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.